Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. As promised, we're thrilled to kick off our brand new weekly series, SketchUp Basics. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this series is designed just for you. Get ready to dive into the world of 3D modeling with fun and easy-to-follow tutorials. Let's start creating amazing projects together. Today, we will be learning the 4 commonly used tools and shortcut key in SketchUp: push-pull tool, offset tool, duplicating objects, and making components. Let's start with the push-pull tool. With the push-pull tool, you can create a 3D shape from a face or cut a 3D shape out of your model. You can push-pull any type of face, including circular, rectangular, and abstract faces. The next one is the offset tool. The offset tool enables you to quickly and easily create parallel lines or shapes from your existing geometry. With just a few clicks, you can duplicate edges at a specified distance, making it the best tool for creating consistent designs and adding detail to your models. The third is duplicating your objects. By pressing the Control key or Command key on a Mac on your keyboard, you'll see a plus sign appear next to your mouse cursor, indicating that the object can now be duplicated. You can place the duplicated object anywhere you like. Additionally, after placing the object, you can type in the distance and then multiply it by pressing the asterisk, followed by the number of copies you want to create. This allows for precise control and easy replication of objects in your design. And last but not the least is how to make component in SketchUp. 1. Select the geometry you want to include in your component. 2. Right-click the selection and choose Make Component. 3. In the definition box, type the name for your component. SketchUp components allow you to easily reuse objects. For example, in most buildings, you'll find doors and windows. Instead of creating these objects each time you need them, you can simply insert a pre-made component. Despite its simplicity, a SketchUp component is built using edges and faces, just like any other part of your model. And there you have it. Those are the top 4 tools and shortcuts you'll be using a lot in SketchUp. In our next video, we're going to put these tools into action as we dive into modeling. Get excited to see how they come to life in your projects. If you enjoy this video, please give us a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe for more amazing content. Help us reach our first 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.